Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to uh, orientation showing our background in Start Pro. So when you start new project, and today I will discuss about orientation, how to adjustment plane, front plane, top plane, right plane, number of 6 plane and isometric plane, how to adjust. So when you select the add beam and go to finish, so like this is background here, and first of all I will create this is diagram. This like the orientation, how to, this is called front plane, this is called front back plane and side plane, and this is right plane, this is called top plane, and this is called bottom plane, and this is isometric view. So this is orientation in Start Pro. When you start front plane selection, it is front plane selection, then start designing here. First design, first point, second point, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, like here. Join this all component. If you again join the line, so this is grid here, and now join the line, this is start, it's complete. So now see this part, look at this here, this is front plane image. When you go front back, so this is front back, this called is side plane, and this is right. Now click the top, and this is bottom, and when outer roll isometric view. So this is the view presentation and plane selection. If I select the transitional repeat, this is called transitional repeat. When I want to 3 step in transitional repeat in 5 distance, and which direction, so this is here x direction, and this is go to y direction, and here apply step link, so link step apply this here, and go to before, go to selection this all part when I want to mirror here, so select this, then after go to OK. So look at this y direction, here the upward direction is going in y direction. Then same thing I will go to mirror here, and next again 3 step, 4 step, and 5 distance is same, and now this is change for z direction, and go to step link, and before select this all part, so here the selected all part, and go to OK. So see this here, when I go to make this component easily, so when how to show the orientation here, this is select this all body and go to orientation. So orientation is like here, this is front view, so click, look like a front side, and this is right, just back, and this is the here that right side, and this is right back, and this is top view, click the top view here, and this is bottom view here, and last one is isometric view. So this is called very easy to work from view orientation of Start Pro, and everything your diagram has working here. If you want work front view, so you can click the front, and side view, front back, right view, right back, bottom view, top view, and isometric. So has been complete this session, and thank you.